Hi, I want to present you the project Object Hunt for Speech Therapy. Speech is one of the main ways to communicate in our society. That's why speech-language pathology, which can affect anybody at any age, can be a real obstacle for a normal everyday life. The problems are well known, and speech-language pathologists specialize in helping the patient overcome their issues expressing themselves orally. The exercises usually provided are mostly very repetitive and can quickly become boring. The transposition of the exercise into a digital platform as a point-and-click object hunt adds a playful dimension to an otherwise uninteresting activity. Furthermore, the addition of a speech recognition algorithm specialized in speech impairment allows automatic task evaluation and helps relieve the therapist's works. Speech therapy is a related health profession practiced by speech-language pathologists. The disorder can appear at many stages in life. Their cause can be organic, sensory, motor, neurological disorder or dysfunction, or psychosocial, development difficulties, sociocultural deficiencies. The intervention field is vast, touching as well adults as children. Many speech therapy group games exist, mainly card games. Still, individual sessions are not as playful, with the most common exercise being the presentation of an image to the patient and asking him to pronounce the word and make a sentence with it. The game sessions have several difficulties levels with irregular words, silent letters, or similar pronunciation. The material for this exercise is mainly printed on card by the therapist. Each patient configuration is done manually, depending on his situation and needs. Issues in the current method are plenty. For the patient, the proposed task can quickly become uninteresting and even frustrating, especially for younger children. Repetitiveness and lack of interaction diversity are not very engaging and can even create an aversion toward some exercise. For the therapist, the session preparation is done by hand and can be very long. The results of a session are taken and reported manually in a tedious process, and the results are not analyzed automatically. This project proposes to transpose those exercises in a point-and-click hidden object game. More specifically, the patient must find some specific object in an image full of objects. Not only does he have to understand the word, but he must also find it in the image and correctly pronounce a given sentence. The quantity of objects in the room, the type and number of objects to be found is decided by the therapist and saved for later sessions. The score is saved in order for the therapist to see the patient progress. In the first version, the pronunciation was evaluated by a therapist. In the second, advanced options for result viewing and reporting have been considered. The main innovation is a voice recognition algorithm that allows automatic evaluation of the pronunciation with personalized feedback and rewards. This is a real challenge as most of the patients suffer from some speech impediment. The project will use database of transcribed interaction with speech-impaired patients to train the algorithm for speech recognition. Furthermore, the removal of a systematic human evaluation can help the patient to relax, as they feel less judged. The serious game provides a better engagement as well as a better overall feeling about the therapy. The creation of a platform digitalizing the patient result and progress helps therapists to have a better overall view of the situation. A prototype has been done, including 3 levels in the same room. The number and type of object can be configured through an editor interface. The pronunciation validation is temporarily carried out by the therapist, as the speech recognition algorithm is not ready yet. The next step is to add more levels, with more objects and several styles of level: cartoon, photorealistic, futuristic. The final step will be to integrate a speech recognition algorithm tailored to different speech impairments. The final app will be deployed on the computer with therapist access, enabling patient data export into appropriate files. This project aims to bring assistance to a field that is rarely targeted by technological innovation. It intends to bring more fun and enjoyable experience to the patient and ease the therapist's work by providing help for repetitive tasks via a partially automated analysis system. Thank you for listening to my presentation.